everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Zalesha and today we are going to look at N-Hyphen's tarot reading. The reading is going to go over their energies, their music, their bond and well-being along with opportunities. We are also going to ask the oracle decks for some additional messages. Now if you guys like K-pop related tarot readings or just tarot readings in general, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys want me to do any other member or any other group or have some suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs up, okay? So before we get into the reading, I would like to mention some few disclaimers, because disclaimers are very important. Now this reading is meant for entertainment purposes only and must be viewed as a source of entertainment only. Now as you all know, tarot is based on energies and energies change every day. So what I picked up today might be different from what I'll pick tomorrow. So do not take it for granted, okay? And lastly, I am in no way associated to them, nor do I know them personally, and if I say something wrong or out of the line, please let me know in the comments. So this is what I have for disclaimers. Let's get right into our meditation part. So as you all know that I like to meditate on the member or the group that I'm reading, and I meditated on N-Hyphen also, and there were a few things that came up. That is, they are going to make a lot of aesthetic songs, songs that you see on trends or stuff like that. Recently there are a few songs that are trending, right? Bruno Mars, Talking to the Moon and Playdate. So songs like that, that trend on TikTok and trend on Instagram, songs like that. So a lot of aesthetic songs, and I think they're going to be very popular in the next year. I mean, their popularity is rising, but I think it's going to reach a peak sometime around next year. And Jake and Heesung, I really do not know why they came up a lot. Their faces came up a lot, and I think they're also going to have a new album pretty soon. I think they released an MV yesterday, Fever, amazing song. If you guys haven't listened to, you should definitely listen to. I love that. So I think they're also going to have a new album pretty soon. I mean, there won't be a long break between this album and the next album. It could be because they're a rookie group, still a rookie group, but yeah, there won't be a long break in between these two albums. And as I said before, they're going to have a lot of trending songs, and these trending songs, it will give them a lot of attention, that it is going to cause them blow up. That's what I want to say. Yeah, that's the right word. It's going to cause them a blow up. And I also saw, there was a lot of synchronized movements, synchronized dancing. So it was also there. And their energy, their energy is very focused at the moment. They're very focused on something. I'm not really sure why. It could be their album preparation, or it could be just them training to become, improve themselves. But they have a really focused energy about themselves, and they're going to get rewards for this focus. That's what I heard. Rewards, as in recognition, fame, more fame, rewards. So that word came up. So they're going to get rewards for this focused energy. And choreography, a lot of choreography. They were practicing a lot of dance movements. And I think their next album concept could be somewhere in between a dark concept and a cute concept. It would be somewhere in the middle, like either they will they will switch. That's what I wanted to say. They will switch. It wouldn't be entirely a dark concept, but it wouldn't be entirely a cute concept either. Dark concept, cute concept, I don't know if it's that a concept entirely, but something along the lines like that, because that sure came up a lot. And they're also very anxious, anxious about something. Anxious as in not in a bad way, but in an excited way. When you're really anticipating something, sometimes you tend to become a little anxious. So something along the lines like that. And this came up a lot, but when I was doing their meditation, or while I was picking out their cards, I kept seeing, social media. So either they could be really active on social media at the moment, with their private accounts or anything, or their songs or their choreography, it could blow up on social media, because I kept seeing trends, this word particularly, trend. So either like their songs could become a trend or something like that. I mean, Fever definitely has the capacity to become a trend on TikTok, because the chorus is really catchy, so it could be that. And I also heard cameo word. Now I'm not sure what cameo, if it's a movie or if it's a song or anything, but I heard the word cameo. Now this could mean a lot of different things. I'm not really sure, because I don't know, these days it's been pretty hard on me, so I'm not really able to focus. But I heard this word cameo. And banjo, I also heard the banjo music playing. There is there's this trend going on, like where you dance and then you show the middle finger or something like that, that trend. So there was also that. Weird, pretty weird. But all of their things, social media came up a lot. So it could mean a lot of things, but I just wanted to put it out. So this is what I had for the meditation part. Now we'll get straight to the cards. So let's start with their overall energy. We have the Devil. Now a lot of people, they associated Devil with something negative, but I don't think tarot has anything negative with it. So I'm also always going to look at the positive aspects of the card. So I think tarot in Devil, basically, even if they're feeling restricted about something, maybe it could be the corona situation, maybe it could be their company situation. Look, we do not know, right? We do not know them personally, so I can only assume. But I think even if they're feeling restricted about something, they're not going to give up on what they truly want. They're not going to listen to the negativity, they're not going to listen to negative criticism, and they're going to look for positivity around themselves, within themselves, and they're going to improve the situation, improve their situation, improve their mentality, their well-being, I can say. So they're not going to bother about the negative aspects of life. They're going to look at the more positive aspects of life. So that is what I have for the overall energy. Now let's look at the cards for their general energy. We have Queen of Wands, then we have the Empress, and then we have Two of Wands. Now their energy, as I said before, they have a really optimistic, outgoing, full of energy vibe. They have this really optimistic side to their nature, and they're really outgoing. They really like to hang out, make fun, laugh and live life as they want to. They have this very vibrant energy about them. And they're accomplishing a lot of tasks, accomplishing a lot of things that they wanted to do, and they have this really strong, passionate, courageous approach to their life, to their career in general. They have this really realistic, bold approach, and at the same time, while they're accomplishing a lot of tasks, they're also embracing their softer sides. Now softer side as in their emotions, their intuition, your feminine side, like taking care of yourself and nurturing yourself. So they're also embracing their softer sides, their emotions, and because they're doing that, they're drawing in a lot of people who want this energy in their life, who want this embracing, who want this soft energy in their life. They're attracting a lot of people like that, and there also going to be a lot of cooperation, in their career. They're going to venture out a lot. There also going to be some sort of collaboration or business partnership, kind of like that stuff happening for them. A lot of overseas opportunities, overseas expansion, and they could travel overseas or like have a physical presence in some sort of how do I say this, some sort of like they're going to have a lot of physical appearance, or like they could travel overseas. But I think given the corona situation at the moment, given the current situation at the moment, it could be difficult, I guess. So they're also going to, but they're still going to make a lot of physical appearances. And they're also, as I said before, they have this anticipation inside them. I really don't know what it is, I really don't, but they have this anticipation inside themselves, and they have, how do I say this, they have this urge to explore the world, explore their talents, this unquenched thirst. Wow. So they have this energy inside them, wanderlust. Yes, that is the right word, wanderlust. They have this energy of wanderlust. They want to explore, they want to have these adventures. They have this energy a lot. For the music, we have Ace of Swords in reverse, Two of Swords, Six of Wands, and the World. Now, in the upcoming month, or previously, they had some sort of creative blockage when it came to their music. Now, it could have happened because of, because they were ignoring their emotions a little bit, but I think they quickly got over it, or they will quickly get over it. Because soon they will be, I said before, right, soon they will be getting in touch with their softer sides. So when they do that, this creative block that was happening, it will quickly get over. And they are going to have a lot of songs that will have songs about overcoming insecurities and blocks in general. Like, they are going to portray what they're feeling through their songs. Now, they could also have celebratory songs, songs when you have some sort of celebration, happy songs in general, I said. So they could have celebratory songs, aesthetic songs, motivating songs about overcoming insecurities and blocks, winning our dreams in general, living our dreams. They could have a lot of songs like that, and these songs, they will help them gain a lot of success. It will help them gain a lot of success. Basically, it will give them a lot of fame and lot of opportunities to explore. But in general, the songs are going to be aesthetic songs, songs about overcoming your insecurities, overcoming some sort of blocks, basically hopeful songs that make you feel really good, songs like that. Yeah. So for the bond and well-being part, I have divided this section into two parts. For their bond, we have Knight of Cups in reverse and Two of Cups, and for their health, we have Ten of Cups and Four of Wands. So I think, if they had some sort of emotional turmoil, stress, or moodiness, had some sort of indecisions, maybe a little bit of procrastination, they are going to overcome this as they start to help each other and help out each other. And this when they start to help each other, their bond is going to grow a lot more stronger, and this is going to bring them this is going to help them build a lot of harmonious relationship with each other. The relationship will they will have a lot of mutual respect for each other. Mutual respect, they will have a lot of appreciation for each other, and there will be a lot of equality and balance in their life. Equality and balance in the life as well as the relation. Basically, they're going to appreciate what they bring to the table, and they're going to appreciate each other a lot more. Their bond is going to grow a lot stronger than it was before, and they're going to become a really strong bonded group. And for the health, we have, their energy level is going to increase a lot. Now, they could make some sort of change in their routine, or they could have they could have done some sort of change in their routine, or they could be doing a little bit of change in their routine in the upcoming months, and this is going to improve their health a whole lot. They're going to have a lot of vitality and good health in general when they have this change. But I think recently, if they had some sort of injury, they're also overcoming it well because of this change in routine. So this is what I had for them in bond and well-being. I'm going to move over and look at the cards for their opportunities. For their opportunities, we have the Star, the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. I think they're going to receive a lot of opportunities in regards to their career. and things are going to go a lot in favor for their career in general. If they want something, they're going to have that, and the universe is basically beside them. The universe is basically helping them to grow as a group, to grow their fandom. They are going to help them expand a lot. So basically we have to say the universe has got their back. And because they're going to receive a lot of opportunities, it is going to help them have the creative block that they were suffering through. It is going to help them remove that creative blockage, and it is going to help them have their creativity flow like it we used to. And as I said before, ENHYPEN has a lot of potential in them, so they're really putting a lot of effort into what they do. And because of that, and because of the rising competition in the K-pop industry, they are going to work really hard to protect what they've achieved and what they're going to achieve. As I said before, they have the talent, they have the ambition, and they're feeling very confident, and they're feeling very powerful, and they know what they are, and they know what they want. And because of that, they're going to try their best to protect what they have and what they're going to achieve in the upcoming years. But in general, they have this really driven, really focused, really committed, they're really committed to achieve their goals, and they're extremely hard workers, and they have a lot of perseverance inside them. So that is going to help them expand their career a lot more. I think we can say that ENHYPEN is going to lead the K-pop industry in the upcoming years, as I believe that they're going to become one of the really popular groups in K-pop. They have the potential, I think. And their career, their opportunities is going to help them travel overseas a lot. Maybe they are going to travel overseas in the upcoming months or upcoming years a lot, and they will also have a lot of physical appearance in the industry. Maybe they will do some sort of events, or maybe they will have a lot of guest appearances, but they're going to have a lot of physical appearances on TV. And moreover, in general, their energy in regards to career is extremely high paced. Things are going to happen very fast for them, and things are going to go in their favor a lot. Now I'm going to move this cards, and we're going to look at the cards for their oracle. Like, we are going to look at the oracle cards now. For their oracle cards, we have the First of Star in reverse, the 11 of Spears in reverse, 8 of Spears, and the 12 of Spears in reverse. Now they have this really intellectual approach about life, rather than being emotional, and they have a lot of creative ideas, new ideas about their career and their music as well, and they love being true to themselves, being true about what they feel, and being true about what they want, so they are very honest about themselves, and they're extremely liberal persons in general. Now I think they're working too hard at the moment. They're working so hard that they're working too hard to the point that it is making them feel a little exhausted. But in general, they have this really practical, careful, organized approach about their life and career in general, and they're extremely hard workers. They work hard a lot, and they have really purposeful and peaceful approach to their life. They know what they want, they know how they are going to get it. So no BS kind of attitude, I would say. Now I'm going to move these cards, and we are going to look at the next oracle cards. I'm sorry guys if I take a lot of pause, and the video seems a bit weird because I'm not really feeling well physically. I'm having a lot of migraines attack these days, and let's just say it's taking a little bit toll on my health. So we have exhaustion, then we have healing, and then we have morality, and then we have a breakthrough. Beautiful cards, guys. So as I said before, they're working too hard. Like they're doing some kind of project, and they're working really hard in regards to it, and they're working so hard that it is getting to the point where they're feeling really exhausted. So because they realize, that they're getting exhausted way too quickly, they're putting a lot of work and they're getting exhausted way too quickly. They're going to take a little bit of break to feel better about themselves, feel like they're going to take a break. They're humans, right? So they're going to take a break. And as I said before, they're very honest with themselves and about themselves. So they're being truthful to themselves, and they're helping themselves to calm down a little bit. And I think, they're also letting go of the past judgments or past conditionings that they had before. If they were made to think in certain types of way, they are going to let go of that thinking, and they're going to break free from that thinking, and they're going to see the beauty and the good beauty and beauty of the heart in general, beauty of their own heart. If they had some sort of thinking, they're going to break free from that. They're going to break free from that cage, and they're going to let go of that kind of thinking, and they're going to see life as it is. Like they will have this enough is enough moment in their life, and because of that they're going to shatter. Like when they reach this breaking point, they're going to realize that enough is enough, man. I'm not going to live my life like this. And because of that, they're going to shatter these old patterns that they were carrying with themselves. They're going to shatter this, and because of that, this is going to give them their life a whole new level of breakthrough. This is, I'm not speaking only in career level, but in some sort of spiritual level as well. They are going to have this aha moment, I would say, and this is going to give them a breakthrough, and this is going to cause them a lot of empowerment, in general, not just their career but in a spiritual level as well, because this is mostly, the message that I'm getting is really spiritual, rather than being career oriented, I would say. So they're going to have some sort of aha moment that is going to change their life, that is going to, like, I'm not going to think this way, I'm going to think in a new improved way. So they're going to have that sort of moment. Now I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look at another oracle cards, which is the Witch's Oracle, Literacy Witch's Oracle. This is one of my favorite cards at the moment because of its amazing energy. We have the Spider, then we have Pharaoh Farakzad, the Rebellion. She was an I can't remember, oh my god, sorry guys. Wait, I'll just let you know about her, because I think these amazing authors, they deserve to be recognized. Just give me a moment, guys. Yes, she was in Iran. She was Iran's greatest poet, and she wrote about sexuality a lot. She was the first poet who wrote explicitly about sexuality a lot, and she was also a documented filmmaker. If you guys know this, check out the film that is House is Black. In general, amazing person, an amazing person to come up in a reading as well, I would say. Then we have the Eye. So basically, they're going to have a lot of focused energy, and they're going to plan ahead a lot. They're like, they know what they want, and they're going to plan ahead on how to achieve that. Like a spider, how it like weaves is what do you call that, net. So they're going to plan ahead, and they're going to have a lot of focused energy in general, and they're learning what they have been taught. And how do I say this, like, if somebody had given them some sort of criticism, even if it's negative criticism, they're going to pick out from the negative criticism. Like, they're going to choose only the good stuff, and they're going to learn that within themselves. They're going to how do I say this, like, when you digest a food, you get the good nutrition from it, right, and extract the bad stuff. So it's going to be like that for them. If they have received some sort of criticism or some sort of improvisation technique or some sort of tip to help them grow, they're going to take that, and they're going to learn that, they're going to use that for their well-being. And I think their songs or their music and their personality there, it's going to have a lot of sensuality in them. They're going to have a lot of sensuality build up in them, and they're going to connect to the nature a lot, you know. And they're going to become really independent, and their music, their career, their personality is going to become unique in the upcoming months, you know. Their group in general is going to become a lot more unique and a lot more different than the other K-pop groups that we see today, you know. And they're seeking a lot of answers in regards to their career, in regards to themselves. Like I said before, right, they're looking of ways to improve themselves as a group and mature as a person as well, you know. They're always looking on the ways to how to better themselves. And you know, they're seeing things clearly as it is, you know. They're seeing things for what they truly are. And you know, they're paying very close attention to the details. Like if somebody tells them to do something, they see through it and they do it to the T, I would say. Like suppose if they're learning a choreography or practicing, they're doing it, they're giving it their 1000%, you know. They're working very hard. And I said before, like, I cannot emphasize this enough, but they're extremely hard workers, you know. They're really hard working in life. So I'm going to move this cards and we're going to look at the next cards. I'm really sorry guys if my reading is becoming too bothersome. I'm really not feeling that well. Then we have Radha. Then we have Tejas. And then sorry guys, another card came up. You're not supposed to see that. Ignore it. And then we have the Vata. So you know, they're feeling really passionate about everything that they're doing at the moment, and I could say that they're merging with their own soul, you know. They're realizing what their soul truly wants, and they're becoming one with their soul. And because of that, they're feeling really passionate about everything that they're doing, you know. And as I said before, as I said in the starting of this reading, that they're really connecting to their feminine side a lot, you know. And they have this radiant glow on their face that is attracting a lot of opportunities, attracting a lot of people to them. Now it is happening because they're connecting to their soul, you know, because they're feeling good about themselves, you know, because they're feeling really happy in general. And because of that, they're having the sort of glow about themselves that is attracting a lot of people, a lot of opportunities to them, you know. And as I said before, they're really intellectual persons, and their intellect is going to spark some sort of energy, you know, that uplifts a lot of people around them, you know. They're going to, as I said before, they're going to lead the industry, K-pop industry, into something much more bigger than themselves. And they're also going to have a lot of people around themselves who are going to encourage them, and they're also going to encourage a lot of people to become truthful about themselves and becoming honest about themselves, you know. They're going to encourage a lot of people to speak what they truly feel like and truly want in their life. So basically, they're going to encourage people to speak the truth and being truthful. And they're going to have a lot of ideas, you know. I said before, they're going to have a lot of ideas. If they had some sort of creative block, their creative block is going to go over as soon as they connect with their feminine side. And when they do that, they're going to have so many creative ideas, like, I cannot emphasize this enough. And they're going to let these ideas, you know, flourish a lot. Like, it will be the how do I say this, like, they will have this direct connection with the universe, that is, and this connection with the universe is going to give them a lot of ideas, you know. And they have the power to manifest these ideas. They have the visions to manifest these ideas. So they have the ability to manifest visions, these ideas, into reality. Amazing reading, guys. Amazing cards. I'm going to move this cards and we're going to look at the next cards that we have for them from the Moonology deck. That is, be bold and make the first move, the Cardinal Moon. Then we have a personal issue, which is resolution, Full Moon in Cancer. And then we have take time to breathe out. Now this card right here is the affirmation card. I'm going to pick it at last and this is the last card, as you can see. So we have, you know, they're really launching forward to what they truly want in their life, you know. As I said before, they are very extremely goal oriented people and they know how to achieve what they want. So now, right now, I think they have some sort of aim or some sort of goal that they want to achieve, and they're going to you know, give their all to achieve this goal. So as I said, they're launching forward to achieve what they truly want, you know, and they are taking the charge of their own destiny, you know. They're following their heart and they're following their emotions as well, and because of that, it is going to help them, you know, achieve what they truly want, what they truly desire. And you know, they are going to have this sort of new that is going to happen to them. They are going to have this new starting, and when this new starting happens, they're going to take the lead and they're going to jump forward to achieve what they truly want. And I think a personal matter, it could be their personal life, or it could be their domestic life, or it could be, you know, something in between their group members, that is going to come to a end. Now I'm not really sure what this is, but some sort of personal issue is going to reach an end, and it will be really like all will be well for them. This personal issue won't be a problem for them because it's going to end on a positive note, and it is going to help them a lot. And you know, they're also taking out time to relax a little bit. They're going to give themselves time to relax. They're going to take a lot of fresh air. They're going to take a lot of fresh air, and they're going to help. That is going to help them relax a lot. You know, they're going to relax a lot, and they're going to allow themselves to feel the emotions. You know, basically these words came up: I am where I am, and it's okay. You know, they're not going to, you know, struggle a lot. They're just going to go with the flow. Like, they're going to work hard. They know what they want. They're going to work hard, but they're not going to, you know, how do I say this, they're not going to be very aggressive about it. They're going to go with the flow. They know what they're doing. They know what they want. They're working hard for it, and they're going to go with the flow along with it. You know, they're not going to be very aggressive about it, just going with the flow and taking time to relax themselves as well. So, and for the last card we have, I honor how I want to feel. Basically, you know, telling that I am honoring my emotions, I am honoring what I feel inside, and they're allowing themselves to feel what they truly want and how they truly want. So basically, acknowledging their feelings. So this is what I had for them. I hope you guys enjoyed my reading. I'm really sorry guys, my health is not that well these days. I'm having a lot of migraine attacks, and I think it's really taking a toll on my body, and I think my voice was shaking a lot because I'm having a little bit problem with my throat chakra these days. I'm working on it. I hope to get better soon. So if you guys like this reading, make sure to have thumbs up this video, and if you guys like K-pop related tarot readings or just tarot readings in general, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any suggestion or want me to do any other group or any other member, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys and your loved ones stay safe during these hard times. Make sure to follow the protocols and do not go out of the house if you guys are having lockdown. I hope all of you and your families and your loved ones, they stay safe. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.